Alright, I think I'm being flooded, yo. Yeah, I'm being IP flooded right now, as you see by this team right here. We already knew they were going to flood from the beginning. Just a matter of time before I go off, probably. Oh, fucking nerds, dude. So as you see, we got one bars right here. We're playing AMB Creative, Stomps, and Gunfight Me, bro. Yeah, I can't even move around. As you can see, it's moving for me. My controller is right here, not touching it. Yet I'm moving around. Yeah, look, still moving around. I'm not even touching it. Connection interrupted. Still one barring. I can't hear my party. Look at us all one barring. Once again, that is who we're playing. We already won first map. Look at the time skip around here. Look at it skip. Yeah, see it? Yeah. We're all one barring. That is a forfeit for them. They are hosting, as you see. Still on the one bar. I'm gonna go and keep recording. I'm still moving around, not even touching my controller. Still one barring. My laptop just lost connection too. I'm gonna try to run around now. I'm just running forward and I'm lagging into things. Just want to show you that. So this has been going on for 2.5 minutes now. So thank you. I'm gonna end recording and we're just gonna have to escalate it. Thank you.